In this video, we're going to talk about downloading listings. Listing downloads are performed to import any new listings for products created outside of Ecomdash and to update listing statuses to reflect their status on your storefront. For example, if a listing was ended directly on your sales channel, or if you added a new listing directly to your sales channel, you will need to run a listing download to update that information in Ecomdash. To download listings, navigate to the lightning bolt icon in the top right-hand corner and select Download Listings. Once you get to this page, you can choose a single storefront or multiple storefronts to download listings from. If you select multiple, they will be processed one at a time. If you would like the listing title, price, condition, and description being imported from one of the sales channels to be set as the information that is used when you create new draft listings created within Ecomdash, select the Set Global Attributes button. Once you're ready, click Go and the listing downloads will begin. You can monitor the status of a listing download by clicking the flag icon and then clicking Listings, and then you'll navigate to the listing import history page. Please note that quantities will only be brought in from your sales channels the first time the product is imported. This is also the same for images. Please visit the guide in the description below to learn more about downloading listings from your sales channels.